Good evening. Mahaganathipataye Namaha. Put a message in the group. Sir is asking to join immediately. Mahaganathipataye Namaha. Yeah, we are discussing objective type questions in quadrilateral topic. Okay, we'll continue that. Question number 11. In a quadrilateral ABCD, AO, BO are the bisectors of angle AB, angle A, angle B respectively. Angle C 70, angle D 30, then what is angle AOB? This is the question. There is a quadrilateral ABCD. This angle is 70 degrees and this angle is 30 degrees. OA is the bisector of angle A, OB is the bisector of angle B. He is asking to find out this angle. Okay. What is the measure of this angle? That is the question. Angle C 70, angle D 30. OA is bisector of angle A, OB is bisector of angle B. We need to find out angle AOB. Any idea, children? OA is bisector of angle A, OB is bisector of angle B. Both are intersecting at O. Bisector of angle A, bisector of angle B, both are intersecting at O. So Vaishali answered 30 degrees, Srujay answered 50 degrees. Any other? Tejal 50. Tanmay Hirawat is also 50. Let us see. We know angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is 360 degrees. So angle A plus angle B is equal to 360 minus 100. Because this is 70 and this is 30, na? So angle A plus angle B is 260. Okay. Then half angle ABCD. Half angle A I will call it as angle AB. So A plus B is 130. Then this will be 50 degrees. Okay na? So angle AOB is 50 degrees. Next question. Question number 12. The bisectors of two adjacent angles of a parallelogram. The bisectors of any two adjacent angles of a parallelogram intersect at. Good evening. The bisectors of any two adjacent angles of a parallelogram intersect at. Yeah, intersect at 90 degrees. Correct. Consider a parallelogram ABCD bisector of angle A, bisector of angle B intersect at O. We know that angle A and angle B are adjacent angles, their sum is 180. Since ABCD is a parallelogram, sum of any two adjacent angles is 180. ABCD is a parallelogram, sum of any two adjacent angles is 180. Okay. Now, since AO is the bisector of angle A, this will be A and A, this will be B and B. That means 2A plus 2B is 180. 2 times of A plus B 180. A plus B 90. That means sum of these two angles is 90. Then this will be 90. So, the bisectors of any two adjacent angles in a parallelogram, they will meet at right angles. They will meet at right angles. This is what you have to understand. Very, very important statement. The bisectors of any two adjacent angles of parallelogram, they bisect, they intersect at right angles. That means angle between the bisectors is 90 degrees of any two adjacent angles of parallelogram. Now, question number 14. The bisectors of angles of parallelograms, Now, see, this is an important question. ABCD is a parallelogram. See here, all these are bisectors. And they are intersecting and they are forming another quadrilateral PQRS. Another quadrilateral PQRS. What can you say about this one? The bisectors of all the angles of parallelogram. The bisectors of all the angles of parallelogram forms a quadrilateral. What type of quadrilateral it is? Can anyone say? What type of quadrilateral is PQRS? Don't see the answers. So I am getting different answers, but maximum rectangle I am getting. See, I will explain now. Now only we see the bisectors of any two adjacent angles forms a right angle. Means the angle between the bisectors of any two adjacent angles is 90. See here, AR, BR, angle between them is 90. CP, DP, angle between them is 90. In the same way, CQ, BQ, this angle is 90. CQ is the bisector of angle C. BQ is the bisector of angle B. So angle between them is 90. Now only we proved it. And DS, AS, angle between them is 90. Now only we proved angle between the bisectors of any two adjacent angles of parallelogram is 90. So this is 90, this is 90, this is 90, this is 90. Now, since this angle is 90, vertically opposite angle is also 90. And this angle is also 90. If we observe all the angles of quadrilateral PQRS, each angle is 90 degrees. Each angle is 90 degrees. So automatically PQRS is a rectangle. It is neither a parallelogram, nor a square, nor a rhombus. It is rectangle. Understand, children? It's a rectangle. So the result we used is this is a parallelogram. This is one of the adjacent angles. This is another adjacent angle. These are the bisectors, and this angle is 90. Angle between the bisectors is 90. Angle between the bisectors is 90. So this angle 90. AR is the bisector of angle A. BR is the bisector of angle B, and angle between them is 90. DP, CP. This angle 90. This is 90. This is 90. If this is 90, vertically opposite angle. This is 90. This is also 90. So all the four angles are 90. It is a rectangle. Okay, na? Next question. If the bisectors of angle A, angle B of quadrilateral ABCD intersect each other at P, angle B, angle C intersect each other at Q, angle C, angle D R, angle D, angle A S, P, Q, R, S. Is it a rectangle, parallelogram, rhombus, or quadrilateral whose opposite angles are supplementary? Which is right? If it is a quadrilateral, A, B, C, D is a quadrilateral. It is neither a parallelogram nor a rectangle. It is simply a quadrilateral, a simple quadrilateral. Now, if the bisectors of this quadrilateral angle A, angle B at P. So this is P. Angle B, angle C, Q. Angle B, angle C, Q. R, S. Now what can you say about PQRS quadrilateral? What can you say about PQRS quadrilateral? Is it a parallelogram or a rectangle or a rhombus or quadrilateral whose opposite angles are supplementary? Yes. Option D is right. A quadrilateral whose opposite angles are supplementary. See here, this is A, B, B, C, C, D, D. Okay, na? Then this will be 180 minus angle R. Angle R is 180 minus C plus D. Angle P is 180 minus A plus B. Angle Q is 180 minus B plus C. PQRS. Angle S is 180 minus A plus D. Okay. Now, see here, if we add angle P plus angle R, angle P plus angle R, what will you get? 180 plus 180, 360. A plus B plus C plus D 1. 180 plus 180, 360 minus A plus B plus C plus D. 360 minus A plus B plus C plus D, which is 180. So 180 degrees. Angle B plus angle R का क्या? 2A plus 2B plus 2C plus 2D is 360. 2A plus 2B plus 2C plus 2D is 360. If I take 2 common, A plus B plus C plus D is 360. A plus B plus C plus D is 180.
360.
So angle P plus angle R is 180. So the option is quadrilateral whose opposite angles are supplementary. Quadrilateral whose opposite angles are supplementary. Option D is right, children. Option D. చూడండి ఎట్లాంటి బిట్స్ ఉన్నాయో. This angle is 180 minus A plus B. This angle is 180 minus C plus D. And this angle is 180 minus A plus D. This angle is 180 minus B plus C. Now if we add opposite angles, angle P and angle R, we are getting 180 degrees. So in any quadrilateral, if sum of the opposite angles formed by the bisectors of all the four angles are supplementary, it is 180 degrees. Option 4 is right. Next question. The figure formed by joining the midpoints of adjacent sides of a quadrilateral is. The figure formed by the joining the midpoints of adjacent sides of a quadrilateral is. Everywhere. If we join all the midpoints of a quadrilateral, what will we get? Parallelogram. Very good. We'll get a parallelogram. Parallelogram. Akshay Nation, it is parallelogram. The quadrilateral, see, suppose there is a quadrilateral like this. ABCD. P is the midpoint of AB, Q is the midpoint of BC, R, yes, if we join all the midpoints of adjacent sides, nothing but parallelogram, we will get a parallelogram. We will get a parallelogram. Okay, na? Next question. The figure formed by the joining the midpoints of adjacent sides of a square. There is a square. ABCD square. PQRS midpoints. What is PQRS? What is PQRS? Square. Everyone is saying square. ABCD is a square. ABCD is a square. Okay. Everyone is saying a square. Yeah. Parallelogram is a square is a parallelogram. Vaishali. Square is a parallelogram. Okay. Listen to me carefully. ABCD is a square. P is the midpoint of AB. AB and AD are equal. S is the midpoint of AD. Now children, can you tell me what type of triangle is this one? I did not get any answer. ABCD is a square. ABCD is a square. We know that in a square all sides equal and all angles are equal. Okay. Moreover, P, Q, R, S are the midpoints of all the four sides. Now my question is, what type of triangle it is? SAP. It is right isosceles, not isosceles. It is right isosceles triangle. So this is 45 degree. This is also 45 degree. 45, 45, 45, 45. All these angles are 45, 45, 45. And all these triangles are congruent. So all these sides are also equal. They are congruent. These two are congruent. These two are congruent. 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 So all the sides of parallel PQRS is equal. Moreover, this angle 45, this angle 45. 45 plus 45, 90. Then this will be 90. This will be 90. 90. 90. Now what is PQRS? Square. All sides equal and all angles are equal to 90 degrees. It's a square. So, what is the conclusion we can give? What is the conclusion we can give? The quadrilateral formed by the joining the midpoints of all the sides of a square is also a square. The quadrilateral formed by the joining the midpoints of all the sides of a square is also a square. Okay, na? Next question. The figure formed by the joining the midpoints of adjacent sides of a parallelogram. What is the figure formed by the joining the midpoints of all sides of a parallelogram? Now parallelogram. Consider a parallelogram. Yeah, rectangle. Very good. It's a rectangle. The quadrilateral formed by the joining the midpoints of all sides of parallelogram is a rectangle. You have a proof. Now, children, you tell me, what is the quadrilateral formed by the joining the midpoints of all sides of a rectangle? What is the quadrilateral formed by the joining the midpoints of all sides of a rectangle? Suppose if I consider a rectangle, ABCD, if I join the midpoints of all the four sides, it's a rectangle, then what can you say about PQRS? Is it a parallelogram or a rectangle or a rhombus? Array, rhombus is a parallelogram, rectangle is a parallelogram, square is a parallelogram. Don't say parallelogram. Yes, rhombus. Rhombus. Not parallelogram, rhombus. It's a rhombus. So the quadrilateral formed by the joining the midpoints of all sides of parallel rectangle is a rhombus. It's a rhombus. Okay, na? How to prove it? We need to prove first step 1. What we have to prove? PQRS is parallelogram by using midpoint theorem. Second step, what we have to prove? If we prove these two triangles are congruent, then by CPCT PQ is equal to PS. Parallelogram with adjacent sides equal is rhombus. Okay, na? Okay. So that's all for today. Again we will meet tomorrow. Dhanyavad. Mahaganadhipate. Today's questions are very nice. Thank you very much. Bye.